Good morning, good evening to all, wherever you're from. Hope you're having a fabulous day. It is about 8:30 at night, and we're heading off to take Quinn for a photo shoot. So we're meeting up with Nolan. I'll link his Instagram below. We're doing some night photos downtown. I think they're gonna turn out just fantastic, and I'm gonna bring you guys for the behind the scenes. So we gotta get down, we gotta get moving. We're already late. So let's get the car up in the air and get going downtown. We're here at the brand new Calgary Public Library. It's a pretty friggin' awesome spot. I found a really nice brick wall to do some photos. If you want to see the photos that I'm taking, go check my Instagram, and the ones that Nolan takes, I will let him share, and you guys can go check out his Instagram, which I'll put in the links below, and also I'll put it right here. But what do you guys think of this location? Mr. Nolan has arrived. Now we can get started with some of his photography, and we'll see what kind of magic he gets to pull off today. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. But keep watching if you guys want to see the behind the scenes of today's photo shoot. Alright, so as you guys can see, we moved to another location with this pendulum crane or whatever it's supposed to be. But we've gathered quite the crowd, obviously, around the car. It's because it's downtown, there's a lot of people just walking around, especially checking out the library, because it is like a tourist thing to check out while you're in Calgary. So if you're not from the local area, you want to see a pretty cool structure and just crazy lines, come check out the library. But Nolan's doing his thing over there, so we'll let him do his thing, and we'll keep taking pictures. There's a bit of a crowd up there. On the library stairs, just hanging out, watching.
You do need a light source. I use a light wand. It is usually better to have a long exposure. I do about 6 to 10 seconds, depending on the light available and where I'm shooting.
Awesome.
So, and that's all it is. You just have to keep. You have to go around the car, keep checking your exposures, and just go back and catch whatever you think you missed.
So just to clarify a little bit more, what he's doing is he's putting the camera on a longer exposure. So what it is it holds the lens open longer, and it lets more light in at a slow rate. So when you have it for 10 seconds, it could be pitch black, but when that lens is open for 10 seconds or 20 or 30 seconds, more light comes through, and what would normally be a picture that would be black, this would actually let light come in. So what he does is he holds the lens open for 6 to 10 seconds, and then with the wand, he is lighting up certain parts of the cars. So he's gonna take multiple exposures of the car with the wand so that it's gonna be a really, really nice contrast background, and then the car is just gonna be lit up. So if you guys wanna see what these photos are gonna look like, you need to go follow Nolan on his Instagram page, which I'll put again down below, and he will post those, and then you guys can see the results. So at least, if anything, just go check out his page, give him a follow, shoot him a DM. If you're in the Calgary, Alberta area and you want to get some photos done with him, shoot him a link, shoot him a message on Instagram, and he's in and out of town frequently due to his job, but he's in town right now and doing some photos around the IllMotion car show week, because as you guys know, IllMotion is coming up really soon, so we're trying to get some photos done, and then he can book some more shoots around this week and the next weeks. So if you want photos, hit him up. Fantastic photographer. There are actually some photos in my Instagram that he did last year of the red wrap, and they're crisp, they're clean, they're top notch. So if you want to see what these photos look like, go give him a follow. Well guys, we just moved around the curb to get a super cool location for doing some photos. So I may take a couple more just while the car's sitting here, and then we'll keep moving on, and I'll go home and I'll start editing the vlog. So hope you guys like tonight's content, behind the scenes photo shoot, little tips and tricks. Reach out to Nolan for the pictures, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.